As you can see here, we got the walls formed up. There's an opening over here for the garage area. So right now we're just filling it full of this 2-inch gravel. This will get packed down, and then there'll be a smaller 1-inch gravel going on top that the plumbing and piping will be set in that'll go out through the walls. So that'll get continued put in here and smoothed out, and after that's finished we'll come in, lay down plastic. We're going to put down 2-inch rigid foam board on the entire surface, and then put down 1/2-inch PEX piping, which will be for the in-floor heat. So the house will have in-floor heat in the concrete as well as in the garage area. 2 separate zones to heat the house separate from the garage, but the in-floor heat will help definitely here in the wintertime with the heating. So we'll have that to do next, and after the in-floor heat, the foam board and the PEX is put down, then rebar will be laid over that, and basically a cap will be poured up level with the wall all the way around. There'll be 2 pours. The first pour will be the house, second pour will be the shop. There'll be a center drain in the shop that'll take water out that way when you come in with snow and ice from your cars melting in the winter time. But the walls are done. They go down 4 foot there, 4 foot here as well. This will be backfilled and tapered down for the frost, and of course this is down 4 foot deep in the existing plane of the ground here. So far we brought in 12 dump truck loads, 12-yard dump trucks loads of rock, and it'll probably take 2 more of the smaller rock to get this level. As you remember in the previous videos, this is cut pretty close, undisturbed ground, but this, the ground sloped down here, so we're filling this wall full of 4 foot worth of crushed, gravel, which is better than sand or anything, so it doesn't compact and settle over time. So we'll, continue to get this rock packed in, get the foam board, the PEX in-floor heating, and then the rebar will go on in the cap. Hopefully it'll get poured yet this next week, depending on the weather. As you can see here, we got 8-inch thick wall. We'll be building with a 2x6, so that'll be good for this. And then we'll be able to start framing. We got our anchors put in every 4 foot to support it well, and then it'll be up to us after that. We subbed out the concrete work. That's just something that me and my wife aren't able to do on our own and do it right. So, but the framing we will be doing. Everything is here ready. We're just waiting on the concrete to get finished off and then backfilled and cleaned up, and we'll be able to start framing here. The porches may get added, a little bit later. This porch here will have the overhanging roof here, and this one will just be a little dormer roof added after. So that's not critical, but we'll be able to get framing as soon as we get this cap poured. So we're real excited about that, because then we can start our work. So just thought we'd bring you a quick update, and hope you continue to support us, follow along, like and share. And if you're new here, we hope you'll subscribe, and we'll see you later from Two Country Homes.